को आप लोग जानते हैं, और जो नहीं जानते थे वो अब तक जान गए होंगे कि इन्होंने कितना अच्छा संचालन किया और कितना अच्छा ये बोलते हैं। आजकल ये CNN 18 चैनल पर भी ये बोलते हैं, न्यूज़ पढ़ते हैं। बहुत अच्छी पोइट्री करते हैं इंग्लिश में। इनकी पोइट्री को मैंने बड़े ध्यान से पढ़ा हुआ है, उस पर कुछ मैंने लिखा भी इनकी पोइट्री के ऊपर। आई थिंक he has a different approach than the normal way of looking at things, and his imagery, I love it. He's wonderful with his imagery, and I uh, like some of his poems very much. इस वक्त मुझे याद नहीं आ रही। एक तो इनकी बड़ी खूबसूरत पोएम है वो where he challenges the ये जो हमारे ये लोग हैं, क्या कहते हैं, आतंकवादी, इनको हाँ उनको चैलेंज करते हैं, वो मुझे बड़ी पसंद है। एक इनकी और बड़ी खूबसूरत पोएम है, वो रात के वक्त का इन्होंने एक बड़ा खूबसूरत मंजर पेश किया हुआ है, उसमें बड़ी खूबसूरत पोएम्स हैं और बड़े अच्छे, बड़ी अच्छी फीलिंग्स है। और इन्होंने ये जो यार बेली संग कविता, जिसकी ये एक्सटेंशन है आज का ये जो कार्यक्रम हम देख रहे हैं, ये इन्होंने बड़ी पहले शुरू किया था और उसमें दिल्ली के, चंडीगढ़ के, जम्मू के लोगों को इन्होंने मिलाया और इस किस्म का कार्यक्रम इन्होंने उस वक्त भी किया। इनको काफ़ी शौक है कि अलग अलग भाषाओं के लोगों को मिलाएं और उनकी अलग अलग कविताओं को सुने और फिर उनको एक सूत्र में बांधने की बात करते हैं ये। और इनके नाना जी तो हमारे डोगरी के बहुत बड़े शायर हुए हैं, कुंवर वियोगी जी, और अभी रिसेंटली अभी तक तो लोग उनकी दो ही किताबों की बात करते थे, घर की और पहलियां बांगा जो सॉनेट्स हैं, लेकिन अभी रिसेंटली उनकी 10-12 किताबें जो उनके जाने के बाद सामने आई हैं अब, और वो सभी पब्लिश हो गई हैं और वो 22 तारीख को उनका विमोचन भी होगा। तो what we were discussing so far was just the tip of the iceberg, and we didn't know that उनका इतना लिखा हुआ खजाना पड़ा हुआ है। This is very surprising। और ये उसी खानदान के हैं, वही ब्लड इनमें है, इसलिए इनका पोएट होना नेचुरल है। तो बड़ी अच्छी पोएम करते हैं और इसलिए हम इनके आज के इस कार्यक्रम को भी सामने इन्होंने जिस तरीके से चलाया है और उसको इमेजिन किया है, बड़ा अच्छा लगा। तो आइए कम एंड सुनाइए हमें।
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your kind words, sir. The poem I'd want to share with everyone is, so I was really inspired by Lalit sir's poem on Lord Shiv. And I believe that as new generations emerge, it's important, and it's also very creative if we can reimagine our epic heroes. And whenever I do poetry symposiums in Delhi, there's one common theme primarily among women whenever they come and share their poetry, is they criticize Ram from the Ramayana over what he did to Sita. And so a lot of mothers come and they share poems. My daughter, please don't be like Sita. That's the common theme among all the poems. And I'm always sitting in those symposiums and I'm absorbing the poetry. One day what happened was I wanted to reimagine Ram in a way as opposed to those poems, because I always felt he was a man who made a mistake, but no one can doubt that he loved his wife. I always felt that whenever I read the Ramayana, whenever I saw the Ramayana and saw its different interpretations, there was one common theme that he did love his wife, but his duty made him make a mistake, which is why his sense of duty made him make a mistake, which is why he sent her into exile. And when she went into the earth, he had no ways of making amends with his wife, and so he is a sad, and he is a in his current form, he may be the greatest embodiment of humanity, but as a man he is very sad and he's full of regret. So this is my poem. It's called Rama's Lament, and it goes something like this. um, they chant my name, with fiery hearts they scream, they call me a savior from a wise mystic's dream. I buried their villain, washed the earth's soul clean, but I just smile at them with a heavy heart, for I miss my beloved queen. They marvel at me and call me divine decree. They say I am a prophet of virtue and duty. They cling to me for meaning, put me in gilded castles, but I am hollow, just as that inanimate life, for I miss my beloved wife.
Uh,
I was only godly with her by my side. I was only a king when I felt her strength nearby. I was only a man when her hand was in mine. Only for her did I make the heavens kneel. Oh, how I miss my beloved queen.
uh,
My father always told me to follow my heart. Why did my earthly duty tear it apart? I sit atop a golden tower as my people hope and pray. I breathe in these clouds, but they taste so damn stale. Oh, how I miss my beloved wife. Rebirth, this power may be mine. How do I redeem myself? No other can play her part. I once roamed the earth as Narsimha, a grotesque beast. He protected his child. He had more of a heart. Oh, how I miss my beloved queen. I turned my back on her, and she returned to the earth. Even death can't reunite us. My divinity is my curse. I see her in all creation in the compassion of our sons. They'll be better men, as her love mocks me the same. Let humanity see, even a god hangs his head in shame. Oh, how I miss my beloved wife.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Thank you.
very nice. Very nice.
Right. Yes. So touching. So touching.
Thank you.
Very, very nice version.
Thank you so much.
जय जी बहुत अच्छा।
Shukriya.
Beautiful, ma'am.